Good morning, everyone. It's a fine morning to start with something very important. I, Shreya Mondal from class 3, and I, Srinjoy Pal, also from class 3, and our very own Satya Ranjan from class 1 shall be your host for today. We are more than happy to welcome everyone and especially our dear grandparents. Morning greetings to our respected coordinator ma'am, Mrs. Kakoli Paul, and warmest greetings to our dear teachers and friends. Today, we all have gathered here to witness and be a part of a very special day with very special people. But before we delve deep into the wonders, let us all start the day with the prayer. Thereby, we request everyone present here to please stand up and to pray with us. The Lord's Prayer. Our Father,
I would request all the grandparents if you please stand up for the Lord's Prayer. Please stand up. Thank you.
the Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Thank you. Please sit down. Grandparents, what could be the appropriate words that could seem fit to describe them? Let's give it a try. Generous, reliable, always loving, never to busy, don't mind answering questions, put me first, amazing and funny, respect my point of view, easy to talk to, not critical, totally caring, and simply the best. Providing the strongest bond in any family that keeps the members, including extended ones, closely together. Opportunity to be with uncles, aunts, and cousins during vacation is the best part of everybody's life. The luxury of which we get only at our grandparents' house. So we thank all the grandparents who took out time and altered their schedules to be here for us today to share their precious moments. Grandparents are our heritage and the essential members of our families and community. That is why a very special day, National Grandparents' Day, is celebrated to honor them. One who is brought up by his or her parents and grandparents is enriched with thoughtful experience, with double the love, twice the fun, and 2 times the values and guidance. Grandparents are our library, our very personal game center. Best cooks, best support, awesome teachers, and the world full of love. All packaged together in 2 bodies who seem to always be there for us. Grand is the word that is more suitable to them. They are the ones who have raised our parents, who are another amazing set of beings in our lives. Our grandparents need nothing more than love and our little time that we share. Today, we all have gathered here to pay our respect to them. Happy Grandparents' Day to all the beautiful souls present here. We, on behalf of the Julian family, welcome you. We will start the day with a prayer song. And to do that, we would like to call upon the stage Shivasri Das and Diptosri Well, it's time for a very good line. Happy, happy Grandparents' Day. A performance by our little brothers and sisters of Lower Nursery will effortlessly bring happiness on stage. It is to have our old but bright friends with us.
Grandparents, please bear with our students. They are very small, so please give them that time and have patience, please. They are going to do.
I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. La la la. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your head.
star. The time we spend together is always great. We want to tell you now that we appreciate the wonderful things that you do. Now it's time to say we love you. Grandma, 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 today's for you, today's for you. We want you to feel very, very special. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Grandma, 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 today's for you, today's for you. We want you to feel very.
That would be a solo dance performance by Krishika Kundu of Kindergarten. Please welcome her on stage.
पगला हमार बादल दिने पागल আমার মন জেগে ওঠে পাগলা আমার বাদল দিনে পাগল আমার মন জেগে ওঠে চেনা সোনার কোন বাইরে যেখানে পথ নাই নাই রে চেনা সোনার কোন বাইরে যেখানে পথ নাই নাই রে সেখানে অকারণে যায় ছুটে পাগলা আমার বাদল দিনে পাগল আমার মন জেগে ওঠে পাগলা আমার বাদল দিনে পাগল আমার মন জেগে ওঠে বৃষ্টি নেশা ভরা সন্ধ্যাবেলা কোন মনোরামে আমি চেনা জানা যায় না তাই আমি চাই গো জানা পাই না তাই কোথা পাই গো পাবো না পাগলা আমার বাদল দিনে পাগল আমার মন জেগে ওঠে
Next would be something special. Our friends from classes 2 and 3 will pay homage to our dear grandparents by enacting a drama, The Grand Angels on Earth. I hope their performance will warm even the coldest of hearts. The scene takes place in a cozy living room. It's this field. Rohan, an 8-year-old boy, is playing a game with his tablet. Rohan's grandfather steps inside the room. Grandpa, Rohan beta, it's already 6 p.m. You have a test tomorrow at school. Keep the gadget aside and start preparing for the test. Rohan, oh please, Grandpa. Let me finish the game first. Grandpa, Rohan, you are exhausted in it since the last 2 hours. Don't you know that this might hurt your eyes? Rohan, Grandpa, can you please stop? I am old enough to look after myself. You are too old to understand me. Please leave, I request you. Grandpa leaves quietly and Rohan's would have deeply hurt him. Rohan continues to play. The clock struck 8 p.m. Rohan's parents return from work. They get furious for seeing him playing. Rohan's father raises his hand to slap his son. Grandpa intervenes to stop him. Ashes, as he had already written notes on Rohan's behalf. We just need to sit and go through it. Rohan's parents warned him to not repeat the task anymore and leave. Little Rohan grew repentant. Tears rolled from the corner of his eyes towards his cheek. He detected his dear old grandpa, and his grandpa saved him from getting scolded. And this was the first time he helped Rohan sit at his study table and tried to focus on his lessons. But tears had burned his eyes. Flashback. On a sunny afternoon in the backyard, Rohan. Thanks for joining me, Grandpa. I was so upset when my friend wanted to cancel today's cricket match. You made me feel better. Didn't know grandpas could play cricket this well. Grandpa. Anything, anytime, on a cutie pie. Grandpa's service will always be there to keep your smile intact. A week before, Rohan was suffering from viral fever. His parents were out of town for work. His grandpa and grandma stayed up for 3 consecutive nights, took care of him, fed him medicine timely, followed strictly each and every instruction given by the doctor, and brought him back to health. A month before, there was a parent's call from school. Rohan had fought an accidentally hurt his classmate. Grandpa found about the incident while checking Rohan's school diary. He didn't complain about it to Rohan's parents, but attended school with Rohan the very next day, apologized on his grandson's behalf, and assured everyone that the act would not be repeated. Grandpa, Rohan dear, never ever hurt anyone because the given thing returns 1,000 times a day. People can have a difference of opinion, accept the fact with respect and move on. Rohan, you are right, Grandpa. I promise to never fight again. I will always be patient and will behave henceforth. 2 months ago, Rohan's father to Rohan's mother. Have you seen the 100 rupees note that I have kept on this table? Rohan's mother. No dear, I didn't. But I can help you find it. Grandpa. I saw it. It fell on the floor, so Rohan picked it up. Rohan, give the money to your father. Rohan handed over to his father. Parents leave. Rohan looking down. Thank you for saving me from getting scolded, Grandpa. I have realized my mistake. I should never touch or take other things without asking. Grandpa, is that a promise? Rohan, yes, Grandpa, I promise. Grandpa, God bless you. Back to the present scene. Rohan wipes his tears, completes his study work, makes a handmade card for his grandpa. The very next morning, Grandpa was sitting on a couch. The very next morning, Grandpa was sitting on a perch and reading newspapers. Grandma was serving tea to him. Rohan walked in wearing school uniform, holding the handmade card for Grandpa. Rohan in a trembling voice, "Grandpa, will you forgive me for misbehaving with you the day before? I am ashamed of my deed. I have realized your worth in my life. Please accept my apology and sincere love." Hands over the card to him. "Happy Grandparents' Day to both of you. Thank you for being there always." Grandpa and Grandma smiled. "We are happy to see that you have realized your mistake. To err is human, but to forgive is divine. So don't feel that. The best part is your realization. We will always be there because we love you and are grateful to be a part of your journey." And all three of them hugged each other. Rohan rejoicing. "Let's dine out today. I will request Papa and Mama to take all of us out for dinner tonight." Grandpa and Grandma delighted. "Sure, you love to join." Moral: a grandparent is a little bit of parents, a little bit of teachers, and a little bit of best friends. They hold our hearts forever. We should respect and celebrate their presence in our life.
Sir, sir.
That was the presentation has melted many hearts. Now let's all be a part of a very graceful performance. Devishi Das of class 2 shall make us believe that being fit is the new way to happiness. That was a splendid performance carried out by a peer group from classes 2 and 3. Please appreciate their hard work with a round of applause. Now we have got another chance to see the little elders perform upon the stage. Let us all welcome them a huge round of applause. Please encourage them. Oh, Grandma, Grandpa, you know that I love you. I love all those little things that you say and do. A walk through the park, a trip to the zoo. Oh, Grandma, Grandpa, I love you. Going to a park, fishing on the lake, eating grandma's cookies for nature's pancake. Going to the circus when it comes to town, eating cotton candy and laughing at the clown. Oh, Grandma, Grandpa, you know that I love you. I love all those little things that you say and do. A hug and a kiss around my open home. Oh, Grandma, Grandpa, I love you.
Our little angels, I hope you all have enjoyed their performances up till now. So now they have not done yet. They are going to wave you bye. So please wave them back, wave them bye. Now, did you all enjoy up till now? What is your, how do you feel today? How do you feel about being here? Is it a yes or a no? What shall I get for an answer? Did you like the performances that the little angels did up on the stage? Thank you so much. Okay, since it is a yes, I would request anyone, grandmother or grandfather, if you would recite a poem or you can sing a song for your grandchildren. Anyone. It's a request from our end. যা কিছু গান, আবৃত্তি, যা কিছু করতে চান, please come up upon a request. Okay.
Your grandchildren will love to watch you perform, all living dolls. They will love to watch you perform. Anything, 2 lines of a poem, 2 lines of a song. Please, the stage is yours. The stage is yours. Please come up.
শুভ সকাল আপনাদের সবাইকে অশেষ ধন্যবাদ এবং প্রণাম জানাচ্ছি। যারা বড়রা আছেন, ছোটরা যারা আছেন, তাদেরকে আমি আমার অন্তরের অন্তঃস্থল থেকে শুভকামনা ভালোবাসা জানাচ্ছি। আমি বিনয় কৃষ্ণ বিশ্বাস। গতবার আমি এসেছিলাম এবং ভালোই এনজয় করেছিলাম। জানি আমার নাতনি এই যে স্টুডেন্ট ইন ক্লাস লোয়ার কেজি। তো যেহেতু রিকোয়েস্ট করা হয়েছে, আমি বাংলাতে একটা কবিতা বলতে চাচ্ছি। কবিতাটা পড়েছি তো অনেক দিন আগে, অনেকটা মনে আছে, কিছুটা ভুল বানিয়ে হতে পারে। যদি তেমন কিছু হয়ে থাকে আমার সুন্দর দৃষ্টিতে দেখবেন। কবিতাটি লিখেছেন বিদ্রোহী কবিতা নজরুল ইসলাম এবং এই অনুষ্ঠানের উপযোগী একটি কবিতা বলেই আমার মনে হয়েছে। কবিতাটির মূল নাম প্রভাত। ভোর হলো, ভোর হলো, দোল হলো, কুটুমণি মকরে, ওই ডাকে জুই থাকে ফুল ফুটি ফটরে, ফুলি হাল তুলি পাল, ওই চলল, এইবার এইবার ফুকুকেও ফুলল। আলসে নয়সে ওঠে রোজ সকালে, রোজ তাই দাদা ভাই ঈদ দেয় কপালে। হ্যাঁ, তো এটা আমার মনে হয়েছে উপযোগী। কেন? কারণ এখন আমাদের জীবনশৈলীর যে পরিবর্তনটা এসছে, সেই জীবনশৈলীর পরিবর্তন মনে হয় এখনই এই মুহূর্তে আমাদের নজর দেওয়া দরকার। আমরা যেন আমাদের যারা লাভড ওয়ান, যাদেরকে আমরা ভালোবাসি, যারা আমাদের আগামী প্রজন্ম, সেই প্রজন্মগুলোকে যেন আমরা স্বাস্থ্যসম্মতভাবে বড় করার সুযোগ পাই। আমরা এখানে যারা এসেছি সবাই অবশ্যই বয়স্ক, গ্র্যান্ডফাদার, গ্র্যান্ডমাদার, এবং আমাদের এই জিনিসটা আমার মনে হয় খুব ভালো করে একটুখানি ভাবা দরকার যে যে বিষয়গুলো এখন হচ্ছে, সেটা আমার মনে হয় যে এটা শিক্ষার একটা শিক্ষা কার্যক্রমের একটা নিরূপ অবস্থার দিকে পাচ্ছি। আপনাদের সকলকে অশেষ ধন্যবাদ। নমস্কার।
ধন্যবাদ সকলকে। আমার নাম রিনা ঘোষ, আমি বীরভূমে থাকি। আমার নাতনি স্কুলে পড়ে, ক্লাস 2-তে। এখান থেকে বলা হলো যে কোনো গ্র্যান্ডমা বা গ্র্যান্ডফাদার যদি কিছু করতে চায় একটু করতে পারে। তা আমি কোনো এক সময় একটু গান শিখতাম, এখন আর সব চর্চার মধ্যেই নেই। তবু মনে হলো যেন একটু কিছু করি, তাই এগিয়ে এলাম। সামনেই আমাদের বাংলাতেই বলছি স্বাধীনতা দিবস, সেই উদ্দেশ্যে আমি একটা গান গাই। ভারত আমার ভারতবর্ষ, স্বাধীন আমার স্বপ্ন, তোমাকে আমরা রহিয়া জন্ম, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য। কিন্তু ভারত তোমার স্বাধীন আমার স্বপ্ন, তোমাকে আমরা রহিয়া জন্ম, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য। আমার নাতনি নার্সারি 1-এ পড়ে, সৌরিশা কর্মকার। আমি এই প্রথম এসেছি আমার নাতনির অনুষ্ঠান দেখতে। আমার খুব ভালো লাগছে। আমার ইচ্ছা করছে ওদের জন্য কিছু পারফরমেন্স করতে। আমিও অনেকদিন আগে গান শিখেছি, হয়তো সেইভাবে আর প্র্যাকটিস নেই, তবু ইচ্ছে করছে ওদের জন্য একটু গান গাই। আমি একটা গান গাই, নজরুলি দিয়ে গাইছি। বিরাট শিশু আলোরে খেলিছো, বিরাট শিশু আলোরে খেলিছো। প্রলয় সৃষ্টি তব পুতুল খেলা, নিরজনে প্রভু নিরজনে খেলিছো। প্রলয় সৃষ্টি তব পুতুল খেলা, নিরজনে প্রভু নিরজনে খেলিছো। তারকারি শশী খেলো না তবু, হে উদাসী প্রখর তেজ তব নিহারিতে নাই। হে বিষ্ণু বিরাট শিশু আলোরে খেলিছো।
Thank you so much. I would request our junior coordinator ma'am, Kakuli ma'am, to please come up on the stage and say a few words how she feels. Okay.
Thank you, grandparents. It was wonderful. Wonderful. I hope all your grandchildren like this. Really, it's very inspiring. Thank you. And whatever we are today, it's for this great man, Mr. Frank Sandy Koya. We have our present rector man, Mrs. Sanjukta Koya ma'am, our beloved principal ma'am, Mrs. Aditi Chakravarti ma'am, our present director, Mr. Sylvester Koya, and our administrator, Mr. Jonathan Koya. They're all guiding us, inspiring us each and every day. So we are thankful to them also, and thank you grandparents for your time, for your presence. Your love, your guidance, it's a source of strength to all your grandchildren. They are the living dolls, your grandchildren. It makes their life more meaningful and more beautiful. Thank you so much for coming and attending the program. Thank you, teachers, for planning and executing this program today so well. And thank you, all the staff of St. Jude's, for your cooperation. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Finally, we have reached the end of our program list. But before calling it off, let us all stand for our national anthem. We would like to invite Shivasri Das of Class 3 upon the stage.
cooperation we would expect for the next year as well. Thank you so much.